Howdy folks, this is Spider-Man 1100.
I'm coming.
And today we're going to continue Undertale. Ring ring. Waterfall. I barely know anything about it, but I'll do my best to inform you. Ring ring. My brother has a station here. Yes, he runs 2 stations at once. Amazing, isn't he? He slacks off twice as much as normal. All it gives my life validation is explaining the Ego Flower. No one can know.
Too late.
Never trust a flower. That's one of the constants of this world. Never trust a flower. That's one of the constants of this world. The sound of rushing water fills you with determination.
Yo! Are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here.
What? Haven't you seen a guy with 2 jobs before? Fortunately, 2 jobs means twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to Grilby's. Want to come?
Sure.
Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Over here. I know a shortcut. Fast shortcut, huh? Hi, everyone.
Hey, Sans.
Hi, Sans. Greetings, Sans.
Hi, Sansy.
Hey, Sans. Weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour.
You okay?
Yeah. You must be thinking of brunch.
A little late.
That's okay. Here, get comfy. Fucking hell! Whoops. Watch where you sit down. Sometimes weird will put whoopee cushions on their seats. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, hang on. Anyway, let's order. What do you want?
Fries.
Hey, that sounds pretty good. We'll have a double order of fries.
Is he combing his skull?
Apparently. So what do you think of my brother? Pretty cool. Of course he's cool. It'd be cool too if he wore that outfit every day. You'd only take that thing off if you absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower.
Oh.
Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? No thanks. More for me.
Did you just drink that whole bottle of ketchup?
Uh-huh. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the Royal Guard. One day he went to the house of the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him be in it. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's, still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard of a talking flower?
If it's the one that I think you're talking about, then yes. I just noticed everything stopped. I mean, Grovy's flame had stopped moving.
So you know all about it. The Echo Flower. We're all over the marsh. Say something to them, and they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him.
Or it could be something even worse.
Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull me away from work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just 10,000 G.
No!
No, because I don't have enough gold. Just kidding. Probably put it on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot.
Grubbs said that your food is probably cold by now. Sans is interesting. He's told me about all kinds of incredible foods. But despite his knowledge, he always orders the worst burger off the menu. The capital is getting pretty crowded, so I've heard oh, okay. I like Sans. Sometimes he feeds us scraps of food under the table. His brother gets mad. But why? We're adults! We can handle it! I was hoping Sans came in to give me a pat on the head. Interloper! Sans is a sentry, but don't let his title make you think he does anything. Everyone knows he sits around the forest reading car magazines. Oh. Sans is the most regular of all. He hasn't been showing as much recently, though. He's playing poker against itself. It appears to be losing. The only thing I got out of that one was Sans. Huh? Since when did you and Sans become friends? I don't like him. He loves to appear without moving. Sansy, come back and sit with me. Everything's so fun when you're around.
want to walk to the other side of town? Try the under snow tunnels. They're efficiently laid out. It's locked from the inside. Let's hang out again sometime. The sound of rushing water fills you with determination. This is a box. You can put an item in or take an item out. Why would you, though? You can't use items when they're in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Use a box? Sure. Never mind. There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? I got the old tutu. What do you know? I actually remembered this time. Huh? I usually forget that's there. Old tutu. Armor defense 10. Finally, a protective piece of armor. You equip the old tutu. The manly bandana was thrown away.
Why is it thrown away?
It's fine, I can buy it back.
Okay.
Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them?
Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I catch something? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed.
What? You're going to take the human soul yourself. But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You'll see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can.
Oh no. Oh, she's scary. What are you doing here? Oh, right. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous! What'd you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys.
A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. When 4 bridge seeds align in water, they will sprout.
Okay. It makes the same squeaking noise as the other thing.
Oh shit. Aaron flexes in. Aaron, attack 24, defense 12. This seahorse has a lot of HP. Horsepower. All of his attacks are harder to dodge at the bottom of the box. Check all you want.
Oh no.
Smells like a mussel farm. Shoot! You tell Aaron to go away. You'll change your mind.
Creepy.
Smells like an underwater barnyard. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you two. Flexing contest? Okay. Flex more. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex harder. Ugh. I actually tried flexing that time. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you two. Nice! I will lose though. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room! You won! You earned 0 XP and 30 gold.
Heh, nice.
If you're wondering what this is, I'll show you.
Okay, thanks.
The squeaking sound is adorable, though.
Right?
Congratulations! You failed the puzzle.
Oh. So there was no point to that.
Nope. If an error is made, the Bell Blossom can call bridge seeds back to where they started.
Wait, what are you doing?
There's something over here.
Oh. A bench?
I just wasn't ready for the responsibility. There's a lone quiche sitting underneath this bench. Will you take it? The quiche was left all alone. There's a lone quiche sitting underneath this bench. Will you take it? Take it. You got the abandoned quiche. Abandoned quiche. Heals 34 HP. A psychologically damaged spinach egg pie. I think that's, if I remember correctly, a reference to a tweet where Toby found a quiche lying under a bench for no reason. Or for some mysterious reason.
Is there something in that waterfall?
Nope. Ring.
Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu?
What will you say? I'll just say yes, because lying is bad. I want to be a good boy for Toriel.
So you're wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink wink. Have a nice day.
Click. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis, make a wish. Washawa shovels up. Washawa, attack 18, defense 5. This humble germaphobe seeks to cleanse the whole world.
Scrabba-dub-dubs.
That voice actually fits for him.
Yeah?
Smells like detergent. You ask Washawa to clean you. It hops around excitedly.
Wait, green means clean.
Washua wonders if tears are sanitary. Touch. You give Washua a friendly pat.
Fresh.
Oh, so I can touch him after he cleans me. Fuck. Ow. Washua wonders if tears are sanitary. You tell a joke about a kid who slept in the soil. Washua's power is neutralized.
No, that joke's too dirty.
And there's fewer of them now. Washua continues cleaning.
Green means clean.
Washua is rinsing off a pizza.
What?
Washua's power is neutralized.
No, that joke's too dirty. Oh, I see there's fewer and fewer of them now.
Washua wonders if tears are sanitary.
How much farther can I go?
You tell a joke about a kid who ate a pie with their bare hands. Washua's power is neutralized.
No, that joke's too dirty. Ah.
Tell a joke about a kid who ate a pie with their bare hands. Washua's power is neutralized.
No, that joke's too dirty.
Oh yeah, they do less damage too. Looking for some good, clean fun.
Green means clean.
Damn. Washua is friends with a little bird. Sweet.
Green means clean.
Washua wonders if tears are sanitary. Alright, let's get out of here. 0 XP and 25 gold. I wish my sister and I see the real stars someday. Look through the telescope. No. Okay, yes.
Wow.
Check wall. Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's.
Oh.
Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul. A horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing.
Is that gonna show us?
Nope. You ate the cinnamon bunny. Your HP was maxed out.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
Gotta move fast. Gotta move fast.
Woo! Go, go, go! Oh no. Whoa, that's a lot of spears.
Yeah. It is. Fuck. Ah! Hang on, there's something else if you survive long enough.
Well, don't take too long because we're over the time limit.
I know. I see it. This music's a banger, though.
Yeah.
Ooh, shiitake mushrooms. Oh my god. Ah. Oh shit. Oh my god. Whoa. When the spheres start making a certain sound, that's when you'll know.
Wait, she's firing even faster?
Yep.
Wow, she really wants you dead.
Clearly. Okay, time to go. Holy shit. Well, fuck. Gotta move fast. Gotta move fast. Shit. Go, 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 go. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Are we clear? Oh no. She's found you. Oh no. What the? Master Kid, what are you doing here?
Oh, my God.
Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again! Yo, did you notice? She seemed really mad about something. She looked like she was gonna blast me to pieces. But, then she decided to put me down. Yo, there's always next time, right? Let's go. Wait. There.
Well, this cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills you with determination. Well... Holy shit. I think this is a pretty good place to stop for now. Now all that's left is to upload these. So I figured out that this was something I knew about but I didn't bother to do. But I was able to I was able to schedule when videos could be published. Something I knew about but I never bothered to use. So I decided to try that out. See how that went. So yeah, now all that's left is to upload these.
So you could have done that the whole time?
Yeah, pretty much. But I, once again, never bothered to use it. Being the big dingus that I am.
Oh. Well, if that's the case, then you wouldn't have had to worry or ever had to worry about late uploads.
True. But once again, I, being the big dumb idiot that I am, never bothered to use it. But anyway, I think this part's gone on for long enough. So that's gonna do it for this part, but thank you all so much for watching this video. Probably would have gotten a lot more done if it wasn't such a wacky day. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed this just as much as we did, and hope to see you all again next time. This is Plentyman1100,
And coming.
signing off. So yeah, we're stopping for tonight.
Good. I'm getting sleepy.
Alright, sweet dreams. Later.